I'm going to be showing you how to change controls in eFootball PC. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So on how to do it, then we need to do is open the game, and once you're in the game, you should see something like this. So after you're here, just look at the top where you can see extras right there. Just go ahead and tap on extras, and you can see options like user information, game settings, help, and support. Just go ahead and tap on game settings, and after you're here, you have multiple informations. What we need to do is find the option of controller or keyboard settings. So once you're there, what we need to do is find button configuration or key settings. So from here, just click any button and remap it to whatever you want. For example, you can change shoot to space, sprint to shift, or pass to something comfortable. And once you're done, all you need to do is hit confirm and apply, and there you go. Don't just copy default, adjust controls to your comfort. It makes a huge difference in gameplay. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.